Good afternoon to those who listen. It's July 13th, 2025, 2:14 p.m. This is Texas. What is this? Hold on. It's KVUE Texas. They're doing live flood coverage right now. There's flash floods. Here we go. There's the flash flood warnings right there for those areas. And that Kerrville, I don't know exactly where it's at. It's down here farther, I believe. And they're predicting anywhere up to 12 inches of rain. Some of these places, as you will see right here, they've already got 6, 8, up to 10, 12 inches of rain. Are you kidding? Oh, I wish they would have shown it up higher. Darn it. But I'm going to show you something. I don't know. This is absolutely nuts. Absolutely nuts. All right. So I got this radar right here, right? This is that next lab satellite and radar. And I'm going to go through this, right? Their time seems to be wrong on here because it's showing 3:45 p.m., but this is already passed. Watch this, and I'll show you all these lines where they're zapping. Watch this.
The difference between an average morning and a hard.
Of course, it has to be a commercial in the background. Always. All right, let me get going here. All right, watch this. Zappity zap. Look at all this. They are literally going nuts right in here. Look at this. Look at all those lines. Right in that area. It's all up above. Up in here is where they're. And look at, you can see some down here. Look at that. Those are not storms. Those are lines. Whether they're lasers, I don't know what's going on. Oh, look at, there's some waves over there. What is that? Over to the left there. What is that? More lines being zapped into the storm. And even down here. Down here. Let me just play this thing. Go for it. Unbelievable. Wow. Come on. For real? It's unbelievable. Is it looping? Nope, it's stopping. Nope, it is looping. Good. Okay, loop it up. Let's try something different on different frames to slow it down a little bit. Okay, I want you to also notice something up in Oklahoma up here. There's a big blob that forms. So be alert for southern Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma. Look at all those lines. Oklahoma's been getting hit the last couple days. Somebody mentioned that they found some lithium mines up in southern Arkansas. So we're gonna have to watch that area now too. And somebody was predicting that Florida was going to get a lot of flooding, and now it looks like they're in a flood watch now. And this was days ago. So I was warning my sister. This is insane. So I went to a different region. Look at this. Oh my goodness. This isn't my area in Iowa, but look at that. Look at all that. And then look at that. After they zap those lines, then all those big giant bursts come out. So I'm guessing, look at these. So let's just put this in there now too. We got Central Iowa, Western Iowa, eastern Nebraska, southern Nebraska. I would maybe concentrate more where those lines are. I'm no meteorologist, and I don't know anything about all this stuff, but just from what I've seen from other people, what is that weird thing that's coming down? See that line? Oh, sorry. Well, hold on. Let's get this cursor working. Cursor. There we go. There's this weird line. Look at this thing. What is that? What is that squiggly snake thing? And it goes right into that thing. But look at all that action. I was trying to look at Arkansas, but let's go back to Arkansas now. All right, I believe I got Arkansas right here. Right here. Sorry, right here. So let's see if any, oh, there's some lines going through up here, a little farther north of, supposedly these lithium, if this is Arkansas, I think that's Arkansas. This is supposed to be where those lithium lines are in this, the foothills, supposedly. So now we got over here in Florida, look at down there. Zap, zap, zap. They're zapping it more over here on this side. Oh, maybe they're knocking it out over on the, that's weird. Look at all that stuff popping up. But look at, they're hitting it. They're hitting it up here in the panhandle. I don't know the timing on this because the timing doesn't seem to be right. But look at all this stuff. Oops. My, oh my. Look at Florida and Georgia. Wow, look at that. So look at all the zapping, and then all these storms just suddenly fire up. Look at that. There's nothing there, and then blam, here they come. Look at that. And then hold on. Zappity zap zap zap, and then blah 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 blah. Look at all those storms just popping up. Bloop, bloop. Come on, man. Come on. Oh, so we did have a little bit, but southern Arkansas doesn't seem to be getting hit. It's more central Arkansas. But then again, they might not be concentrated in that area now. Florida, wow, unbelievable. Okay, it doesn't look like my area where Davenport is, but look at where Des Moines is. All right, so just from